Instagram has introduced a new AI editing tool for Reels called First Draft. Want to try it for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the First Draft tool on Instagram. Now let's get started. To get access to the First Draft feature, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the newest available version. To use the First Draft AI editing tool for Instagram Reels, open Instagram and tap the plus sign in the top left corner to begin creating a new post. At the bottom, select Reel. Then select video clips from your camera roll that you want to include in your reel. Then tap First Draft. If you've selected 5 or more clips, the First Draft button may be minimized to just the icon and will not include the text. Instagram's AI system will then analyze your clips, identify highlights, and trim your clips to cut out pauses and reduce the overall length of your reel. You'll then be able to see your First Draft edit. You can tap the X at the corner of any clips you want to remove. Tap Add Music at the top to pick a background track from Instagram's audio library. If you don't like how First Draft edited your video, you can tap Skip to edit manually. If you want to use First Draft as a baseline and make a few tweaks yourself, tap Next. Then you can use the regular Reels editor to add text, voiceover, captions, and overlays as normal. Tap Next when you're ready to post. Then go ahead and post your reel as normal. That's all it takes to use the First Draft AI editing tool for Instagram Reels. Want more helpful Instagram tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.